Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a problem on linear equation in two variables. Let us solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2, 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Now, in order to proceed with this sum, let me make a small arrangement. I am going to put 1 by root x as u and 1 by root y equal to v. So my first equation becomes 2u plus 3v equal to 2. So in place of 1 by root x I have taken it as u and in place of 1 by root y as v. Next equation becomes 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. Now let me eliminate v. For this I need to multiply equation 1 by 3 because I have to have 9 here. So let me multiply the entire equation by 3. So that becomes 6u plus 9v equal to 6 and write the second equation as it is. Now plus 9v and minus 9v gets cancelled. I am left with 6u plus 4u which gives me 10u and 6 minus 1 gives me 5. Here we get 10u equal to 5 or in other words u equal to 5 by 10, which means when I cancel 5 ones and 5 twos, so u equal to 1 by 2. Now substitute u equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is nothing but 2u plus 3v equal to 2. So here I am going to substitute 1 by 2, which gives me 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3v equal to 2. Now let me cancel. I can cancel here 2 ones and 2 ones. That means I am left with 1 plus 3v equal to 2. So 1 plus 3v equal to 2. Now my next step will be 3v equal to 2 minus 1 or 3v equal to 1, which gives me v equal to 1 by 3. So we get u equal to 1 by 2 and v equal to 1 by 3. So let me write in place of u 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2 and in place of v I am going to put 1 by root y. So 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. Let me cross multiply. So I get root x equal to 2 and here again root y equal to 3. Let me square on both sides. So I get root x the whole square equal to 2 square and root y the whole square equal to 3 square, which gives me x equal to 4 and y equal to 9. Therefore, the given set of equations, the solution is nothing but x equal to 4 and y equal to 9. So friends, was this interesting and easy? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.